How to block and unblock someone on Messenger. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login, and Delete. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is open Messenger and then open the chat of the person that you want to block. Click on the eye at the top right corner, scroll all the way down and you'll see this block option. So click on block. So you can choose to block messages and calls, or you can choose to block on Facebook as well. Once you block messages and calls, your Facebook account won't receive messages or calls from this person. However, the account won't be blocked on Facebook, and you will still be able to see their posts, comments, and reactions on Facebook. If you're in shared groups or rooms with this account, you'll still be able to see and communicate with each other. If you have other Facebook profiles, then you need to block this person individually from each of the profile that you have. To unblock someone, click on the three bars at the top left corner, and then click on the setting icon. Scroll down and click on Privacy and Safety. Near the end, you'll see Blocked Accounts. Click on that. Then select the person that you want to unblock and click on their name. And you'll see this option of Unblock. Tap on Unblock and you'll be able to unblock them on Messenger. So this is how to block and unblock someone on Messenger. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.